Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce you to the Mazda 3 Sedan, a vehicle that has been a benchmark for excellence in the compact car market for over 2 decades. The story of the Mazda 3 began in the early 2000s, when Mazda's engineers set out to create a replacement for the Protege, a compact car that had been a staple of the Mazda lineup for many years. The result was the first-generation Mazda 3, which was unveiled in 2003. This vehicle was a game-changer for Mazda, offering a unique blend of style, performance, and handling that set it apart from other compact cars on the market. The Mazda 3 was powered by a range of engines, including a 2.0-litre inline-four and a 2.3-litre turbocharged inline-four, and was available with a choice of manual and automatic transmissions. In 2009, Mazda introduced the second-generation Mazda 3, which featured a new, more aggressive design language and a range of updated engines and transmissions. This vehicle was also praised for its exceptional handling and driving dynamics, and quickly established itself as one of the best compact cars on the market. In 2014, Mazda introduced the third-generation Mazda 3, which featured a new, more premium design language and a range of advanced safety features, including a rear-view camera and blind spot monitoring. This vehicle was also praised for its exceptional fuel efficiency, with some models achieving up to 41 miles per gallon on the highway. In 2019, Mazda introduced the fourth-generation Mazda 3, which featured a new, more elegant design language and a range of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning. This vehicle was also praised for its exceptional handling and driving dynamics, and quickly established itself as one of the best compact cars on the market. And now, in 2025, we have the latest iteration of the Mazda 3 Sedan, which promises to take the compact car market by storm. With its sleek, premium design and advanced safety features, this vehicle is sure to be a hit with car buyers. Whether you're looking for a fun, handling-focused driving experience or a practical, fuel-efficient commuter car, the Mazda 3 Sedan is sure to deliver.